I'll show you how you can get free gifts on Temu. Now, when you first log into Temu, you might sometimes get offers like this, like a penny deal. You can see you can get rewards here, but we're just going to close out of that. You can claim that if you'd like, but we're going to use a different method. Now, from the Temu app here, you want to go to the use section down here. And on the use section here, you want to click on Play and Earn. Now, on Play and Earn, you can see we can earn credits and free gifts from this page here. Now you can see there's a couple of free gifts we can claim, like this one up here and this one down here as well. Let's just claim the one up top here. Now you can see once I click on this button, it'll open up a little page here with a little animation. We can click win my gifts, and you can see I can start picking a couple of gifts, like this one, for example. I'm gonna pick this one. And it'll just give it a little loading time here. Now you can see I can pick what kind of things it is. You can see this is what it looks like, and I can click on pick this free gift now. If I want to claim it, just click on pick this free gift now, and you can see I can now also pick a second free gift if I'd like. So for example here, I want this trendy European and American accessories. I just have to tap on pick like this, and then I can click on pick this free gifts now. You can see the last step is pick 2 more free gifts, so you can pick up to 4 free gifts, I think. Yeah, it's like this. Oh, 3 free gifts, I think. Yeah, 3 free gifts. Let's just pick our last one here. Let's just get a USB-C to USB adapter here. Pick this free gift. And then let's just click on confirm. And these are the free items that we've picked. You can see 3 free gifts will save me around that much, $6.65. And that's it. You can now get the free gifts on Temu.